Hi there, this is Christy Nichols with Venture Within, and welcome to the midweek motivation. Every week I'm going to post videos here that help to motivate you, different ways to boost your motivation, address issues that get in our way, and to give you tools to re-motivate you and to overcome those challenges that make us feel a little less than during the week. And this week we're going to talk about intention. Intention is a word that gets thrown around here and there, but intention is very important to achieving your goal. When we say we are setting intentions, it's very different from a goal. A goal is a destination. Intentions are how we get to that destination, right? It's how we move forward. Just think of it as like, your intentions are unfolding the map or plugging in the details for your GPS so that you can actually start making some progress. So setting our intentions is, for me, an example is that I set an intention to be positive, right? I want to have a positive mindset because when life sucks, when things get really, really hard and life kind of dumps down on you, I know that if I'm positive, I have a positive mindset, it's not going to drag me down as far as it could. I'm going to bounce back quicker, more easily. I can get back on track to accomplishing what I want to accomplish. So for me, a tool I have used to assist my intention, to help me stay with my intention, is to have a word of the month, right? And a word of the month is pretty fun because it helps you to realign with what it is that you want to be feeling, what it is you want to be doing. So for example, if my intention is to be positive, no matter what, then my word of the month for May was the word maybe. Just like that, said like that, maybe. Because if I say it like that, or however you want to say it, give it a positive lift at the end, then when things go wrong, like your car breaks down, or the power goes out, you can use the word maybe to reset your mind to be more positive. And being more positive is my intention. See how that works? So when my car breaks down, when the power goes out, maybe it'll come back soon. Maybe the car won't break down much after this time it's fixed. Maybe my car won't cost as much to fix as I thought. Maybe it's actually not that big a deal. But having that word maybe gives you the opportunity to choose to be more positive. And using that word of the month, that helps you stay with your intention to be more positive, right? So we can have intentions, but unless we have the tools to stay with them, our intentions are going to fall and our goal is going to get farther and farther from us. So for June, I changed the word. June was joy. The word was joy. So whenever I had something good happen to me, I was able to recognize it and remember, oh yeah, joy in June. And it made me be more positive. Even when the moment I was having was positive, grabbing that tool, that the word was joy, and I was experiencing joy, doubled the effect, right? So you're doubling down on the positive effect that you want to create for yourself, that positive mindset. So intentions are very important because they help you navigate your way to your goal, and having tools to help you stay in line with your intention are a sure way to get there. So maybe for July, maybe your goal is to make a lot of money. Maybe you want to make a lot of money this month. And if that's the case, perhaps a word to help you stay with your intention to make money would be hello money or hello dollars. So every time you save money, you can say to yourself, hello money. Every time you earn money, hello dollars, right? Every time you think about doing something that helps you earn money, you can say that, hello money. And that keeps you in line with your intention to do the things you need to make the money. Anyway, take this tool, use it. You can apply it to whatever goal you have. It will help your intention stay aligned with you, whether it's relationships you want to seek, career shifts or progress, or a lifestyle change you want to adjust, whatever. Choose your intention and then use the tools to help you stay with it. Anyway, and you will find that you reach your goal. And that's it. Thanks for watching this week's midweek motivation. I hope it helps you stay in line with your intention. If you have any questions, you can message me directly below or in any of my channels. I also have some helpful links below that you might want to explore, or just give me a like and a follow, and I'll see you next week. Thanks. Bye.